Hello guys, I have here a Ticklish Giraffe balm, or Tubby Tornado is what she calls it, and it's called ImPeach. I'll show you. See? ImPeach. I think that's cute. It's a pretty little white balm, and it's got like the mica, it's like a peachy copper colored mica kind of painted and drizzled on the top of it. There was another balm here recently that I used that had that on it, and I cannot think of what it was called, but I think that's really pretty the way she has it on there. Let's put her in the water and see what she does. That dripping faucet, y'all, drives me crazy. I'm going to try to do one more balm today because I don't think I'll get any demos in for Monday or Sunday night. I'm not sure. It all depends on this weather, and I'm going to be out driving in this weather, so we shall see. And right now, as far as the weather goes, y'all, what I'm talking about is right now it's beautiful. It's sunny. It's 65 degrees outside. The trees are budding out. There's beautiful little flowers coming up everywhere, the spring flowers. And then this weekend, we have a chance of snow, and the nights are going to be back down into the 20s. So, yeah, that sucks. Right now, I don't have any fruit trees, but I remember growing up, we'd get some springs like this, and it would just be awful because your trees would bud out, you'd get all these blooms on there, and then there would be a really hard frost and kill it all, and then you really didn't get any fruit. And that, that's a bummer, especially when you're growing up poor and you don't really have money to go to the store and buy fruit and stuff. You eat what you grow. So that always sucked, but it is what it is, I suppose. Can't argue with Mother Nature. So far, we don't have any color change or anything. It's just this white foam coming off of it. And I do have my water fairly hot this time. I remember one of the last balms I did by her, it was it may have been the cherry balm, the one I didn't upload because there was so much baby drama on it. It was kind of a slower fizzing balm, and this one's is so far it's a bit of a slower fizzing balm. I don't know if she's reformulated and made them a little slower fizzing. I guess I could ask her, send her a message and ask her, but I hate to do that. I used to have a business, and I know how busy you can get, and trying to get all your balms made and things wrapped and packaged and answering questions, and it can get a little hectic and stressful. So I try not to bother them if I can help it. But I don't mind a slower foaming balm. Don't y'all get me wrong now. I actually prefer a slower foamer if it's just me in the tub. If I'm not doing a demo, I really love a slow foamer. I like to play with it. I like it when it has that, see, look at this. See how it's got that real thick foam on it? I love that. And something else that I have noticed is with these slower foaming balms, they tend to feel better in your water. See, look at this. Look at my arm. My hand and arms are red from this hot water. But this is the way I like my baths, y'all. I like them hot. Also, I just did my drawing for my giveaway. I put that balm, or the box, I should say. Ooh, there's a color, in the mail today. So I'll be kind of starting to try to figure out what I wanted to put in my next giveaway. So if anybody has any suggestions, let me know. What I've been doing is putting balms in from companies that I like. I've been trying to put some of the balms in that I know that I really liked. This last one, I put a gift certificate in there. If y'all like the idea of that, let me know, because I will be doing another one coming up here in a little while. But I'll keep y'all updated on that. I'm kind of trying to wait for more of the warmer weather balms to come out to see what they have, so I can kind of put some of them in the giveaway. Ooh, that's pretty. I like it. If there's any of the companies that I've used and you'd like to see something from them in the giveaway, let me know. Uh-oh. Boo's back from his walk. I hear his daddy's got the water on downstairs. Hopefully there won't be baby drama, y'all. I guess I shouldn't call him toddler drama. I guess is what I should call it. Oh, goodness. Water just got in there to another end bed, I guess. And that's a pretty color of orange. It's definitely an orange, but it looks like it has a little bit of something else mixed in there. It's really pretty. Yours, or on my camera screen here, it looks a little darker, but it's a really pretty bright orange. And I can still smell it, but I'm not sure if it's because I have my water so hot. It's not very strong, which this wasn't a very strong scent to begin with. And you know what? I don't know that I did a scent description. Well, I have noticed on these new balms that she put out, they don't really have a scent description, or her scent description, but I haven't checked this one yet. And if she does have it, I'll put it down below. But to me, this is a peachy, light perfume scent. It smells good. It smells really good. But from the smell of it in the water here, I don't think it's really going to stick. And if it does, it's going to be really light, I do believe. But again, I will let you all know down below about all of that. It's pretty much a shell now. Let's see here, guys. If we can see what we got here. In this foam. I always try to get a picture of the foam in there because it's always so pretty. And with a lot of these balms, the foam starts getting those little bubbles in it when it starts dying down, you know. And I like to get a picture with before it gets too much of those little air bubbles in it. See, look how pretty. Alright guys, there's a look at everything, and it didn't stain my hand. So all we've got left is this little piece of a white shell. Looks like there's a tiny little piece of embed, not much. So I'm just going to crush it up since we're at 11 minutes here. I don't know if any of you want to sit and watch white foam. Look at that. Pretty. Okay. Let's see what our water looks like. It is a pretty peachy colored. It's almost a little more toward the, and what I'm seeing here looks a little darker, but what I'm actually looking at is a peachy color, but it's a little more toward the pink side of peachy. It's really pretty. Let's see. Thought maybe if I could get a little bit of the tub in there, it would lighten it up a bit and you could see better, but I don't think it's going to. Alright guys. It feels like it's a lightly moisturizing balm. I do think it's going to stick lightly on my skin. Now, let's see if there's any shimmer. I don't see any shimmer in the water. If there is some, it's not a whole lot because I'm not really seeing it. Generally this time of day I can see it really well if it's in there. I see a little bit of sparkle in there, but not enough that you guys could pick up. And I'll turn my flash on, and if it is real sparkly and pretty, I'll take a little video and attach it to the end of this one. Alright guys, y'all stay safe and have a good one.